Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2013 Hyundai i30 Active. Stock reference 5490. This shape runs from the third month 2012 through to the second month 2017. It has a G4NB 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G4NB 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine with the left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, left guard appears to have no damage, left front 16-inch factory steel wheel with a good tyre, left power door mirror, both left-hand doors appear to have no damage, left rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, tailgate appears to have no damage, right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light, right rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, right rear door appears to have no damage, right power door mirror, and a right front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster.